Hello students, now we will start exercise 10.2. In that the first question is construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. So here, as we discussed in our online session, that in this particular question we have to use SSS criteria. That means the measure of length of three sides is given, so using that we have to construct a triangle. So how? For that, here you can see that here measure of three sides are different. You can choose any one side as a base. So here I am taking this XY as a base. If you are taking another side as a base, that is also a right thing. You can take anyone according to your convenience, because the measure of angles and side will be not be changed. Okay, only the position. So for example, this one I have drawn the line of 6 centimeter, which is my ZX, or we can also say XZ, which is 6 centimeter. Now what we have to do, the measure of XY and YZ which is given to us. So for that, what we will do here, as we discussed that here in our compass we will take measure of 4.5 centimeter, and here the measure of 4.5 centimeter is of XY. So X is already there, so I will this point X as a center, I will draw one arc. Similarly, measure of YZ is there, so point Z I am having but not Y. So for that, what I will do here, in my compass I will measure 5 centimeter, then this Z as a center, I will draw one arc. So this intersecting point is our point Y. So from that point, what we will do here, at a point which these two arcs are intersect, exactly from that point we will join both these endpoints. So first this Z, then this one X. So this side is equal to 4.5 centimeter, this one is equal to 5 centimeter, and this point is called Y. So this is how we have to draw this type of geometry. And steps regarding that, as I earlier also I told you, जो thing हमने की है, only that thing we have to present. So for that, for example, so the things which we have followed, we have to represent only that thing. So first thing what we have done, draw a line segment which is XZ is equal to 6 centimeter, then with center X, measure of radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc, then with center Z and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc. That arc will cut the previous one. So from that point we have to join all this endpoints. So this is how we have to draw this type of geometry. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or question regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.